Use of and. Fill in the blanks with and. A man and a woman. A dog and a cat. An apple and a mango. A deer and a bear. A box and a bag. A nurse and a doctor. An umbrella and a stick. A toy and a boy.